Hi, so today really wanted video about protection of bottom side of fuselage of EPO, Elapor, Solidpor, Z4, etc. models, especially gliders or electrogliders or training models like this Czech Beta 1400, which is actually one from many clones of multiplex Easy Star. How you can see, this Easy Star is with many scratches and dust on bottom side of fuselage. Of course, better is if you protect fuselage on a new airplane before flights, but of course you can protect fuselage with small damages without any problems too. I will show you on this airplane. For protection of bottom side of fuselage I use from many ways. I use two fiberglass and this air wrap foil. Fiberglass is with some plus and some minus. Plus, if you make fuselage reinforcement with something like this shape, you will make really reinforcement not only for protection against scratches during landing or after landing, but this fiberglass protection protect geometry of fuselage. If you hit a ground on the nose with small or middle hits, it will protect fuselage of some deformation and non-symmetrical changes of shape of geometry of fuselage, and this is a big plus of fiberglass protection. But if you hit a ground really hard, fiberglass will not help you, just you must be a better pilot. Minus of fuselage, minus of fiberglass on fuselage is really dirty work with resin, with glass fiber, and of course you need some experiences with this work. But work with foil, air wrap foil, is clean work without any chemical. Without any without any chemistry. Only what you need is some sharp knife, scissors, maybe pen, alcohol marker or CD marker, and that's all. And of course some hot air gun. This is standard hot air gun on hair, yes, for hair. This minus of foil is that this is really protection only against scratches. Yes, this is really no protection about geometry of fuselage. If you will hit a ground, this will not help you. Yes, fiberglass yes, but this not. This is really about only simple protection of bottom side of fuselage against scratches. I use that not only for EPO airplane or Elapor airplane, but on fiberglass fuselage too, because especially on gliders without the gear, if you if you're landing or runway is just some grass with sometimes small rocks, you can often you can damage bottom side of your fuselage, fiberglass fuselage, and small stripe of this foil, maybe only 2 centimeters, can protect bottom side of your fuselage too. And if this foil will be with some scratches if you will want to change a color, for example. Next plus of this foil, you can easily remove it from fuselage and you can apply a new stripe or new protection. About adhesion of this foil. Adhesion of this foil is not really good, but this is enough for basic protection. You without worry about falling down during flight. It will hold on your airplane, on fuselage, and again you can easily remove it. So adhesion is enough exactly between okay or not okay. What next? Weight of this foil is a little bit heavy. I think it's okay only for protection of problematic parts, but if you want to cover all airplane, I think it's too heavy. Of course, again, depending on airplane. If your airplane clear weight is, I don't know, 500 grams, and after cover with this foil is 700 grams, it's bad. But if your airplane is flying weight clear, I don't know, 4 kilograms, and after full cover is 4 kilograms and 150 grams, I think it's no problem. So your choice. This foil you can buy as foil for protection with many names. Air wrap foil, air protection foil. You can buy different designs. What is perfect on this foil, which I use, is bubble-free glue on bottom side. It means in glue are small ways or paths, I don't know exact word in English language, and you can apply this without worry about bubbles. Yes, so look on internet for air wrap foil with bubble-free technology or something like that. Now I will clean this side just with alcohol from dust and just dirt. About adhesion, how I say, adhesion is I think enough, but nothing perfect. If you want to make better adhesion, you can mask part of fuselage where you want this foil. Really only twice, twice, clean it with perchloroethylene. I don't know in your language, but I think this is chemical name, perchloroethylene. And be careful, because perchloroethylene is fluid or liquid, which can damage your airport or plane, and it can make holes. You know? So really put perchloroethylene on some fiber, and only 1, 2. This is enough. Really, this is enough. From removing of silicone from top side of elapor, and after this you can prepare it with sandpaper, only lightly. Again, clear it, but not with perchloroethylene, but with alcohol from dust from sandpaper. And you can cover it in light layer with Balzaloc. I think you know that. This is standard RC modelers or RC model builders. Just think stuff, balsa. Or you can just use some dispersion glue. In Czech Republic we have Hercules, but you can use some, because balsa is just dispersion. Yes, dispersion glue, some dispersion. So cover it with dispersion, really only light layer, and when it will be dry, you will just apply a foil on it. I tested with that, it works. Adhesion is better, but not perfect. But this is not problem adhesion of balsa on glue on foil, but this is problem between Elapor surface and balsa, because you know that on Elapor, on EPO is problem with actually all glues. Maybe second glue, quinoacrylate glue is okay, but not for this use. But with standard glues is problem with all glues on Elapor or EPO surfaces. So this way you can use for better adhesion, but I not use that. Why? Because with this preparation, if I want later change foil for new or for better colors, new colors, and if I remove old foil, under foil I can see surface actually damaged with this preparation. But if I apply on new airplane, new fuselage, this foil without this preparation, so if after a year I remove this foil, under foil is just new surface of fuselage without any marks. This is just like new. Of course, only if with this airplane was flying nicely without any hard landings and in the rocks, etc. So you can use that. I won't tell you, for you know about that, but I don't use it, and I use it and I apply this foil without this preparation. So I think that's all. For big advantage of this foil is that you can change shape and you can nicely put it on not flat surface of your fuselage. I think you understand me. For this you must heat it. For heating you can use hot air gun, but I use standard hot air gun for hairs, how I say. So now I will clean it only with alcohol and I will just apply this piece of blue foil. So now I will cut with knife, with sharp knife, exact shape. Yes. You just need a bigger piece of this foil for for handling of this foil during work with hot air gun, and this this part with this imperfections you will just cut off. Yes. A line of cut you can mark with some pen, or you can use just knife. I use two knives, one not perfect sharp. With this I make something like line. This is not cut, only line where I want cut, and so with second sharp knife I will just cut it. You can cut it by two ways. I call it Dexter way and Hannibal Lecter way. When you will cut it like a Dexter, you will just cut through the foil in the fuselage, I don't know, in 2 or 3 millimeters depth, just in the elapor, just like a Dexter, and you will remove just what you don't want. And if you will make it like a Hannibal Lecter, you will precisely cut only foil without cutting an elapor. Your choice. So now I will do that. So that's all. How you can see, nothing difficult. Standard hot air gun is enough. And I think that's all. Now I will show you with a small piece here how easy you can remove it. So it's here, adhesion is enough, you can don't worry about fall down during flight, it just adhesion is enough. And if you want to remove it, just you can easy without problems and without any marks on surface of elapor. So thanks for watching, have a nice day. I hope that for someone it could be helpful. Thank you.